these abundance parties represent so much more than us just coming together and trading stuff and donating the rest at the end. It really represents to me us building a community, knowing that we will not do without, kind of cutting out some of that fear of not enoughness, not having enough, because we know that we are tethered in a community that has an abundant mindset and that we are willing to share with each other. Not only that, it gives us a spirit of, giving and receiving, gives us a spirit of gratitude. It makes us see that this tangible stuff that we have is a great representation of the overflow in our life. But then we can also start realizing that we have an overflow of energy to give, which this stuff is really just energy. Money's just energy. And when you start looking at everything as energy, it really changes your mindset as well, I believe. And so we have an abundance of maybe some time and energy, maybe a caring spirit. Maybe we have an abundance of knowledge that we can share with each other. Maybe we have an abundance of positivity that can influence someone else and help them, get over some hardships in life. Or if they're real excited about a business or something, then one of us can share our knowledge of, business, or just how we overcome, fears that, starting a new business, or how we talk to banks to get loans. I mean, it's just this giving and receiving, this flow of giving and receiving is really what this is about, is building a community where we know that we can depend on each other, and that if there is something that maybe missing in our lives, that the other one can fill in for us, and we can give a different resource that we have at that moment. And it just takes out this level of fear that I think that our society is, especially with all this COVID stuff or whatever, and we've been so isolated for so long, that we need this kinship, this community, this sharing and receiving dynamic in our lives more than ever. We were not created to just be in these boxes that we live in. We are created to be in a community. I mean, we still have that innate desire, but it's not just a desire, it is a need. We depend on it. We have to have each other. And by doing these abundance parties, I am hoping to instill that community that we're all desiring and looking for, feeling like you're a part of something. So that's what it means to me. There's so much more I can talk about. There's so many more layers, about high vibrations. Also, it means for me to set myself on a higher vibration, because when I'm together with these people, these like-minded people, these people who celebrate abundance, I get on this high for at least a week. And I feel I truly believe that the world mirrors back to you what energy you're putting out. So I always want to be putting out positive energy at a high vibration as much as possible. So this helps me achieve that goal. So I would love to hear about what it means to you, and if you see this vision as I do, or if you see this abundance party in a different light, what do you get from it?